Shielded circular connectors for data and signals, SACC QUICKON from Phoenix Contact. Assemble the simple two-piece connector quickly and easily with a standard tool. Insert the cable all the way into the splice body. The shield is then automatically connected. Lock in the wires without removing the insulation. Cut flush and simply screw the plug together. Tried and tested IDC connection technology ensures reliable and long-lasting connector contact. SACC QUICKON shielded circular connectors for assembly from Phoenix Contact.